Architects are wasting hours every week searching random YouTube tutorials, copying prompts that never work, switching between AI tools, and still getting fake-looking renders. Because AI rendering is not about prompts, it's about workflow. And that's exactly why we built the Ultimate AI Rendering Pro Bundle, which contains 3 different workflow kits, created by architects who actually understand the real visualization problems architects and students face every day. These are not random AI prompts. These are tested, studio-grade workflows built from real architectural projects. First workflow is about exterior AI rendering. Here you will learn how to turn basic SketchUp models into photorealistic renders, transform daytime shots into cinematic night scenes, contextualize projects in Bangalore, Kerala, or America, and add realistic people, rain, vehicles. Second workflow is about interior AI rendering. Here you will learn how to swap materials, furniture, lighting, and entire interior styles. Create premium spaces directly from Moodboard and add animals, people in seconds. These are parametric prompts which can be used on any projects by just replacing the keywords. Third workflow is about AI design presentation. Here you will learn how to create editorial boards, exploded axonometrics, rendered and presentation sheets that actually look professional. Also, as a bonus, you'll get advanced case studies, curated prompts, and the biggest AI rendering mistakes architects make. All 3 workflows are now combined into one Ultimate Pro Bundle, the complete AI rendering designers, the most powerful and cinematic AI visualization guide in one place. The workflow is officially live now.